Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Versatile Mother. In the last video we have discussed how much it is important to teach about festivals for the kids, and using festivals as a central theme, how can we engage them in different activities. Today I just want to show you how I engaged my kids for the Republic Day by just using some small simple methods which is quite affordable for each and every parent. So these are the 5 ways which I used for my kids for engaging them in Republic Day. So let's get started. Before that, if you haven't watched my previous video, please do watch my video, and if you really like it, please subscribe and share. Thank you.
Are you ready to say national symbols?
Yes, Mommy.
What's a national animal?
Alcohol.
What's a national bird? What's a national flower? What's a national fruit?
Mango.
What's a national vegetable?
Pumpkin.
What's a national game?
Hockey.
What's a national tree?
Banyan tree.
What's a national...
Give me Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Yeah, Mommy.
Thank you. Who is he?
Dr. Ambedkar.
Very good. Kastin, show me where is India.
There.
Kastin, is this India flag?
No. India flag.
Okay. Is this India flag?
No. India flag. The flag. Thank you. Yo, Mommy. I India flag.
Wow. Kastin, how many colors are there in India flag?
Saffron,
Hmm.
white,
Yes.
and green.
Very good.